What's all this, Sam? Looks like a paper factory explosion.
I'm trying to draw a picture, but it's not going so well.
Well, you need lots of practice to learn to draw well.
I agree. I used up a whole pack of paper.
And do you know what paper is made of?
Tooth powder, I think.
Why?
It's white and smells so nice.
No, Sam. Paper is made out of wood.
Holy cannoli! I had no clue this beautiful white paper was made of trees.
It is. To get 1 ton of paper, you need about 17 adult trees. That's about 400 packs of regular office paper.
And I've used a whole pack.
Yes, and a tree usually grows for 30 to 40 years.
But Sue, you said it yourself. I need to practice drawing. How can I draw without paper?
Sam, I've got an awesome idea how to help you and our viewers.
What idea?
Let's make a reusable canvas, and you'll be able to erase failed drawings many times over.
Awesome sauce!
And, as Walt Disney used to say, I don't have bad or failed actors. I simply erase them.
I'll be just like the great Uncle Disney.
We'll see about that. First, let's clean our table from your failed masterpieces. Hey guys, let's help Sam with his art. Give him a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to the channel, and bring your friends along. Okay, first we'll need a bowl.
Hi! I barely got out of the bag.
You're so clumsy sometimes, Sam. Next, we'll pour a tablespoon of cement into the bowl.
Are we going to build our canvas?
No, Sam. We'll be making a magical mixture for our canvas.
Phew! And I thought I'd grow old before I get my canvas.
You'll get it, Sam. Next, we need to mix the cement and water, making sure there aren't any clumps.
Oh, hurry up, Sue! I'm afraid our cement will harden!
Don't worry, Sam, it won't. Next, we'll add half a glass of black latex paint to our cement mixture.
Sue, why is the paint black? Paper is white, you know.
Well, that's one more secret. We need to stir the paint in our magical mix very well. Hey, Sam, there's an empty frame on the fireplace. Could you fetch it?
Sure thing, Sue.
Sam, I thought it was an empty frame. How did Mr. Disney's photo get in there?
He's my idol now.
That's a great idol to look up to. Next, we need to get the glass out of the frame. Now be very careful with the glass, guys. Don't cut yourselves. Now, we need to apply our mixture onto the glass evenly. And then, let it dry.
Lights, camera, action! Yeah. And cut! Oh, bad. Very bad. This won't do. Where's the acting? Those sparkles in your eyes. Oh!
Sam, will you stop kissing the photo and help me with the canvas?
I'm sorry, Sue. I was daydreaming. What's next?
Next, we need to cover the glass with the second layer of the mixture.
Look, Mr. Disney, what an interesting canvas I've made.
Who made it?
No, you've made it, Sue, as an assistant.
Right. The glass is dry now, and we'll return it back to the frame. I'll place it carefully back and cover it with the cardboard again.
Wow! This is Malavic's black square!
Yep, it was a black square, and now it's a magical canvas with drawings. And the amazing thing is that you can erase the drawings you don't like over and over again. Guys, send us your photos or videos with your drawings on a canvas just like this. And Sam and I have prepared a surprise for the most original artist. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button too.
And bring your friends, of course. Mr. Disney and I will select the most worthy artist. Bye, guys. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
And, yep, a little bit more there. And, water! I need to wet my brushes! Water!
Here's some water for you, Mr. Artist.
Holy cannoli! Is this for me, Sue?
Yes, Sam. A surprise from me to you.
Thank you, dear Sue.